You think van life can't get any better in 2027? Wait till you see the all-new Winnebago Revel 44e. This is not just a camper van, this is a fully engineered off-grid adventure machine built for people who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Today we're taking a deep look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of the 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e, and by the end of this video you'll know whether this is the ultimate 4x4 motorhome or just another expensive van. Let's start with the exterior because the first impression of the 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e is absolutely bold. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 AWD chassis, this van instantly stands out with its rugged stance and adventure-ready design. The high roof configuration gives it a commanding road presence while still being compact enough to maneuver through cities or tight forest trails. The upgraded all-terrain tires paired with black alloy wheels give it that aggressive off-road look. You also get enhanced ground clearance, integrated side steps, heavy-duty front bumper styling, and optional roof rack systems that are ready to carry kayaks, bikes, or even a rooftop storage box. The power awning with integrated LED lighting turns any campsite into a comfortable outdoor lounge. Around the back, the large rear doors open wide to reveal gear storage space and utility access. You'll also notice the integrated ladder, roof-mounted solar panels, and upgraded lithium battery system that makes this van truly off-grid capable. Everything about the exterior screams durability, functionality, and modern adventure luxury. Now step inside the 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e and this is where things get seriously impressive. The first thing you notice is how intelligently the space has been designed. Even though this is a compact Class B motorhome, it feels surprisingly open. The interior features durable yet premium materials, modern cabinetry, and soft LED ambient lighting that gives it a warm and contemporary vibe. The seating area includes swivel captain chairs up front that transform into part of the living space once parked. The dinette setup is flexible and multifunctional, perfect for meals, working remotely, or relaxing. One of the biggest highlights is the power lift bed in the rear. With the push of a button, the bed lowers down into sleeping position, and when raised, it creates a massive garage-style storage area underneath for bikes, camping gear, or outdoor equipment. The kitchen is compact but extremely efficient. You get an induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, refrigerator, microwave, and smart storage compartments. The countertop space has been optimized to give you just enough prep room without feeling cramped. Soft close drawers and clever cabinet layouts make it practical for long trips. The wet bath is surprisingly functional for a van this size. It includes a shower, toilet, and folding sink system, designed in a way that maximizes every inch of space. The water system includes fresh water, gray water, and black tank storage suitable for extended off-grid stays. Combined with the advanced lithium-ion energy system and rooftop solar, you can comfortably camp without hookups for days. Now let's talk performance because this is where the 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e truly separates itself from traditional camper vans. Under the hood, it runs on the Mercedes-Benz 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. The AWD system gives it excellent traction on dirt roads, gravel, snow, or rain. The ride quality is stable and refined, which is something you don't usually expect from adventure vans. Handling feels confident thanks to modern driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating tight mountain roads or long highway stretches, this van feels secure and controlled. Despite being built for adventure, it still delivers respectable fuel efficiency for its class, making long road trips more affordable than you might think. Now let's talk about pricing because this is definitely a premium motorhome. The starting price of the 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e is expected to begin around $210,000 in the United States. With additional options like upgraded suspension packages, extra lithium capacity, roof racks, and tech enhancements, the price can easily climb to $230,000 or more. It's not cheap, but when you consider the Mercedes-Benz platform, advanced off-grid system, high-end build quality, and resale value, many buyers see it as a long-term investment in lifestyle rather than just a vehicle purchase. So who is this motorhome really for? It's perfect for couples, solo travelers, digital nomads, and adventure seekers who want true off-grid capability without driving a massive Class A RV. It combines luxury, technology, and rugged performance into one compact yet powerful package. The 2027 Winnebago Revel 44e is not just about camping. It's about freedom, exploration, and living without limits. If you've ever dreamed of disappearing into the mountains, parking by a remote lake, or traveling cross-country with everything you need in one vehicle,